Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Zafro 10,000 BTU U-shaped window AC. So this is going to be a product overview video, so let's get into it. Let me show you how the product looks, what it comes with, how well it works, and then I'll give my overall feedback at the end. Okay, so this U-shaped window AC fits windows that are 24 inches to 48 inches wide. The opening has to be a minimum of 16 inches deep. It also comes with this remote control, so you can control it either with a remote control, with your phone, or even on the touchscreen here. Here is a closer view of the display panel. You have your power on and off button here. Here's your mode and your Wi-Fi reset button. You press the mode button, it changes to the different modes. So you have AC mode, you have to reduce the moisture mode, you have a fan. So it's 3 different modes. The plus and the minus button increases or decreases the thermometer. This is the speed button. So there's 3 speeds, low, medium, and high. This is your night mode. This is a timer for how long that you want the AC to be staying on for. And this button right here, it shows you which way that the air is going to be blowing. If you just press this one, it's going to go up and down. If you hold it down for 3 seconds, then it'll move left to right. Using the remote control, I can also set up the settings. So you can see everything is set up here. I can even mute the sound if I hold this down for 3 seconds. So everything counts down so you know how long. If I want to lock the buttons on the remote control, you hold down this button for 3 seconds. This even has a light. Okay, so I could turn off the light or turn on the light with the controller. I could increase or decrease the fan speed. If I want to go extra fast, I just hold down the fan speed. Okay, so once you're ready to set this up on your phone, you could either download the Zafro app on your phone, or this works well with Google and Alexa. Okay, so I downloaded it on my phone. I'm gonna press add device, and then I'm gonna long press the M button right here. So this could set up the Wi-Fi. So once I did that, press next, 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 next. So now it's gonna find the AC on my phone. So I found it right here. I'm gonna click there, press next. I'm gonna put in my Wi-Fi password. So it's connecting to the router. Now it's gonna register the device. So everything is connected successfully. Then you can set up the name of where this AC is at. Once you press complete, you're able to control the temperature. So you see on the AC it's changed, and on my phone it's changed. With sleep mode, side to side if I want to do that, and up and down. I can even put it on echo mode. The speeds, I can lock it, turn off the tones, and turn off the light if I wanted to. And I can also turn the unit on and off over my phone. I could dry or even just push fan. So the app works very well. This also tells you how hot it is in the room, and then what's your target temperature. You can set the range, your schedules. It even tells you the maintenance, and then even with your settings. You can see that it has this cool light. Here's your filter once you take off this cover. So it's easy to clean. Snaps onto place. On the side here, this is where you could drain the condensation water from the inside. Using this, you just have a bucket there and it'll drain out. This system also brings these weather stripping, so you could ensure that the window is nice and sealed. So you have different sizes of how that you want to position this. And this is how it looks from the outside. So you see how my window is not as deep, so I just added a piece of wood just to make it nice and straight. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great 10,000 BTU U-shaped window AC. I like how easy it is to install. I like how it has all these different control options, either on the machine itself with the remote control, or even on your cell phone. I like how you're able to control the temperature from your phone, so you could have your room nice and cool when you're coming in from the outside. I like how it has the night mode, so you could lower the noise so that way you can sleep nice and peacefully. And I also like how you're able to set up the different fan speeds and the wind directions on here. So this is a great U-shaped window to have. Thanks for watching.